I love it. It's so cute. It's Fernanda. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing another kindergarten crate. I actually went to my mailbox again, not expecting this. I went to go pick up a package I ordered. You can see right there. I ordered a bunch of like seat cover pockets things, so I was going to pick them up before I came here so I can have them for Monday. But then I saw that I had one of these, which I didn't know I was going to get, so I'm really excited. Alright, so while I'm opening it, I'm going to talk about what Kindergarten Crate is. And essentially it's just a monthly subscription service, and it's catered to kindergarten teachers. So every month you get a box with a theme, and inside of the box there are different things to help you achieve activities fitting the theme. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So this is what it looks like inside, and there is a t-shirt. I'm so excited. I was actually wearing the one from December earlier this morning, so yay, we got another one. Alright, but first things first, I see some bulletin board border. This is from Classroom Coordinates, and it's Teal Appeal. This is what it looks like. It's double-sided, so you can have this polka dot one or this orange one. The orange one fits my theme a little bit better, but I like having the scalloped edge a little bit more. So I don't know if I'll be getting a ton of use out of this. The next thing I'm super excited about, because I actually needed some of these, and they are sand timers. There are 4 sand timers, and they are in increments of 1, 2, 3, and 5 minutes, which is great because currently I only have sand timers for 2 minutes because I got them from the Dollar Tree. But for my Beat the Timer Center, where my kids just like unscramble CVC words, I would like them to do it a little bit faster than 2 minutes. So the 1 minute timer would be great for that, and the 5 minute timer would be great for kiddos that need like a visual of how much time they have for a certain activity that they're doing. So for example, when we're doing sight word journals, then this would be great for that. And the sand timers are labeled on top so you can see what timer you are using. Alright, so the next thing is a magnetic whiteboard eraser that says anything is possible if you try. I don't know how to autofocus this, but yeah, it's pretty cute. I have 5 like owl magnetic erasers that I use with my small groups, but I was missing one for myself. So this will be the one for myself, and it's great because it'll be different than the ones that my students use. The next thing I see is a wooden stamp set from Melissa and Doug, and it's butterflies and hearts. It comes with 8 stamps and 2 ink pads. I actually have a ton of stamps. There was a ton of stamps already in my classroom, and then one of my cousins from Mexico, she gave me a ton of other stamps that I haven't found a way of how to use them. So if you have any idea on how I can use stamps, let me know in the comments below. Alright, so now let's look at the shirt, because I'm really excited about the shirt. It looks cute. I love it. It's super cute. It says throw kindness around like confetti. I love this so much. The one thing about these shirts is that they're more on the baggier side, but that makes them super comfy, and it's so cute. This is definitely my favorite thing so far because I love like teacher shirts, but I don't own many. I think I only own like one, and that's because Darren made it for me. Thank you, Darren, if you're watching. I still love it. But yeah, I can wear this. I'm so excited to wear this on like a Friday, because Fridays is when I dress a little bit more casual. Even though I can dress casual every day, I choose to just save those casual days for Fridays. But it's so cute. Alright, so another thing with Kindergarten Crate is that they always send you a book every month. So if you think about it, it's a great way to build up your classroom library, and it's great because it's themed. So obviously this is a February box, so it's going to be like Valentine's Day themed or kindness themed, hence the shirt. So this month's book is Somebody Loves You, Mr. Hatch by Eileen Spinelli, and I've never read this book before, but I mean, I'm always super excited to add a new book to my classroom library. In addition to that, we have some stickers. These are from Carson Dellosa, and they are kid-drawn stickers. They're motivational stickers, so like you to say like good job, smile, excellent, which is great. I've actually been using the penguin stickers that we got last month quite a bit with my small groups, and my kids love them, so I'm sure my kids will love these as well. And the last thing is some papers, and it seems like it's a letter writing activity because it says dear blank, and it has room for a picture and then room for their writing. And again, it seems like it's a lot of them. Oh, it is double-sided, so you can fold it up, I think. Is that what it's for? Yeah, it looks like you would fold it up to make it look like an envelope. That's really cool. Alright, so this is the very last thing in the box. This just kind of gives you a rundown of what's in the box and what they imagine each item to be used for. And then also gives you a sneak peek for the following month's box. And then it looks like next month we're getting a Splat the Cat book because of this sneak peek. And then I think it's going to be like Dr. Seuss themed because of March. And then it looks like you're getting... I actually don't know what this could possibly be, but I'm excited. Alright, so this is it for today's unboxing. And I honestly feel like every box just gets better and better as months come. And I love this box. I'm really, really excited about the shirt and the sign timers especially. Honestly, I think I can find a use for everything in the box for my classroom. So yeah, if you are interested in getting a kindergarten crate for yourself, go ahead and look at the description box down below and you will find a link as well as a coupon code that you can use to get some money off of your first purchase. Alright, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.